Hello guys, मैं pharmajobsinfo.com पे. So Felix Generics Private Limited, they are hiring at Pithampur for the warehouse, then quality control, information technology and technology transfer department. So company is looking for the experience as well as fresher candidate as well. So they are hiring for their formulation plant. So designation is officer, apprentice, and then only freshers. So, 2 to 4 years experience needed for the warehouse department officer position. BSc, MSc candidate can apply. So, you should have experience in dispensing of RM, PM, and FG packaging material. That's so. For quality control department, micro is a micro department is there. So, apprenticeship, freshers, and BSc, MSc microbiology and biotechnology is required. For IT, a fresher BSc is required, and for the technology transfer department, the company is looking for the freshers with BSc MSc chemistry candidate. So, if you are interested, then you should have a good communication skill, and you should send your resumes at shiksha.mishra@flexweight.com. So, guys, meanwhile, you can like, share, comment, and comment yourself what kind of job you are looking for, so it will help me to make videos or to put the job likes for you. Thank you guys.